Home inspector said there's a lot of lint in the attic. That is a lot of lint. Let's see if this can pass the earthquake test. Nope, it's gotta be fixed. This vent pipe is flammable and needs to be replaced. That's better. Next, I slide the insulation up. I also installed metal strapping so it's secure. Inside we have another flammable hose. The homeowner just moved in, so she didn't know if it needed to be cleaned or not. It was relatively clean. Next, I install a UL listed transition hose called Dryer Flex. For all things dryer vent, call MN Dryer Vent, 651-350-4201.